Is it the right time to buy or sell Square stock? Let's dive deep into Square and analyze its potential. Our initial report, published on Thursday, November 2, 2023, provided valuable insights. Now, we're here to give you an even more detailed analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and turn on notifications to stay updated on our latest analysis. Stay informed about any crucial updates that might affect your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Remember, this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of November 2, 2023, our system has ranked Square as a hold/accumulate, with a score of 0.12. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. Despite experiencing some natural fluctuations, the stock currently retains its initial hold/accumulate recommendation, with no significant gain or loss at 0%. The stock is currently experiencing a significant downward trend in the short term, and it is expected to continue falling. Based on the recent 3-month trend analysis, there is a potential decrease of 33.48% over the next 3 months. The estimated return could range between -42.43% and -26.01%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a potential decrease of 23.43% over the next year. The estimated return could range between -44.39% and 25%. This means the price could range from $24.46 to $54.98 after 1 year. Our latest update for Square brings exciting news. The stock price has increased by more than 7.37% on Thursday. On the last trading day, Thursday, November 2, 2023, the Square stock price rose from $40.96 to $43.98, marking a gain of 7.37%. This is the third consecutive day of gains for Square. We're eager to see if this upward trend will continue or if there will be a minor pause in the coming days. Throughout the trading day, the stock price fluctuated between a low of $42.78 and a high of $44.10, experiencing a 3.09% fluctuation. Over the past 10 days, the stock price has fallen in 6 instances, resulting in a decrease of -0.43%. Notably, the volume of shares traded on the last day increased along with the price, indicating a positive technical sign. In total, there were 11 million more shares traded than the previous day, amounting to a total of 23 million shares traded, worth approximately $996.17 million. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price of Square's stock was $89.97, while the lowest price was $38.85. Currently, the stock price is 51.12%, equivalent to $45.99, below the 52-week high, and 84.79%, equivalent to $245.25, below the all-time high, which occurred on August 5, 2021, when the price reached $289.23. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, September 6, 2023, UBS upgraded SQ with an outperform grade. On Friday, August 4, 2023, JMP Securities assigned a market perform grade to SQ, indicating a hold action. Susquehanna gave SQ a positive grade with a hold action on Friday, August 4, 2023. KeyBank upgraded SQ to overweight with a hold action on Friday, August 4, 2023. Needham issued a buy grade for SQ, despite a hold action, on Friday, August 4, 2023. Analysts have given Square stock a general buy rating. They rate the PE ratio as a strong buy and the price to book as a strong buy. In terms of return on investment, the analysts give the stock a rating of neutral. In this video, we will discuss the signals that have been identified for Square, a popular stock. On Monday, October 30, 2023, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point. Since then, the stock has risen by 12.14%. This indicates a positive trend, with further rise expected until a new top pivot is found. It's worth noting that the volume is also increasing along with the price, which is considered a good technical signal. However, there are also some negative signals that may influence the stock's short-term development. While the short-term moving average suggests a buy signal, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. This implies a more negative forecast for the stock. In case of further gains, the stock will face resistance from the long-term moving average at $44.40. On the other hand, if the stock falls, it will find support from the short-term average at $41.12. It's important to keep an eye on certain thresholds. A breakup through the long-term average will provide another buy signal, while a fall below the short-term average will add another sell signal and strengthen the general signal. Additionally, we have a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, indicating a bearish trend. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots show a buy signal that occurred 4 days ago. Bollinger Bands also indicate a buy signal that occurred 4 days ago. The short-term moving average reflects a buy signal that occurred 2 days ago. However, the long-term moving average indicates a sell signal with no specified duration. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal that occurred 62 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. The short moving average indicates a buy signal that occurred 2 days ago. On the other hand, the long-term moving average shows a sell signal that occurred 65 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal that occurred 51 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Today, we're going to talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Square. When it comes to support, Square has found a solid level at $41.90. This is important because when the stock is tested at this level, we can expect an upwards reaction, making it a potential buying opportunity. Now, let's discuss the risk involved. Square typically has average movements during the day, so the risk is considered to be medium. Additionally, with good trading volume, there is a healthy level of liquidity. Looking at the stock's recent performance, we see that in the last day, Square moved $1.32 between its high and low, which is equivalent to a 3.09% change. Over the past week, the average daily volatility has been 4.14%. Before we discuss the potential trading levels for Square, let's start by covering some important fundamental data. One key metric to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio provides insight into how a company's current share price compares to its earnings per share. If a company has a negative PE ratio, it means they are either experiencing losses or have negative earnings. It's not uncommon for even established companies to go through downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios could indicate insufficient profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. Moving on, the next earnings report for Q3 2023 is expected to be released on November 2, 2023. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report are at $0.440. It's important to keep an eye on these numbers as they can have a significant impact on stock prices. Today, we'll be examining potential day trading levels for Square. If the stock is on an upward trend, the first resistance level for Square is at $45.62. If you don't currently own any shares, it might be wise to wait until this level is surpassed before considering a position. For those who already have the stock, this could be an opportune level to consider for swing trading. On the other hand, if Square experiences a downward movement, it will hit its first support level at $41.90. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, with the expectation of a rebound. The combined average rating for Square from multiple analyst sources is buy. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On October 2, 2023, Grassadonia Bryan sold 3,770 shares of Class A common stock. On October 2, 2023, Grassadonia Bryan sold 1,668 shares of Class A common stock. On October 4, 2023, Grasidonia Bryan sold 4,584 shares of Class A common stock. On October 2, 2023, Henry Alyssa sold 4,196 shares of Class A common stock. On October 2, 2023, Esperanza Christie sold 748 shares of Class A common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be positive with a ratio of 19.606. Overall, insiders purchased 841,842 shares and sold 549,843 shares in the last 100 trades. We recommend setting the stop loss for this stock at $42.24, which represents a decrease of 3.96%. This particular stock experiences moderate daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, we have identified a buy signal from a pivot bottom that occurred 3 days ago. Is Square stock a good buy? While Square holds several positive signals, we believe it is not yet a strong buy candidate. We recommend considering it as a hold or accumulate candidate at the current level, while waiting for further development. Our analysis conclusion for this stock has been upgraded from a sell to a hold/accumulate candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems have determined that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, November 3rd, we anticipate Square to open down by $0.360 and start trading at $43.62. Before we dive into today's topic, it's crucial to understand the risks associated with trading. Please note that trading comes with a high risk of financial loss. It's always advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. Remember, StockInvest.us is a platform that provides information, but it should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing the information available, you acknowledge that you are solely responsible for your investment decisions. Welcome to our stock analysis. We value your opinion, so don't forget to comment below and share your thoughts. What do you think the target for this stock should be? Remember to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. We hope you find success in your trading endeavors and have a wonderful day. Best wishes from all of us here at Stock Invest.